Hello Glamfit! So ito na yung ating unboxing ng Christmas products. So these were availed actually last month pa, pero I waited until December para i-open. So ito yung tumbler. Ang ganda ng box niya guys. Parang ayoko siyang buksan, ayoko siyang galawin. But still, we have to open it. Gusto kong makita yung mismong product nila, which is yung brown gray na tumbler. So, hot and cold drinks ang pwede dito and metal yung loob niya. So, maganda yung product na to. And ito talaga yung pinakahihintay. Every year actually iipon ako ng stickers for the planner. Kasi gamit na gamit ko yung planner each and every year. Ayan, so buksan natin. Ang ganda ng box as usual. Talagang hinihimas-himas ko yung box kasi ang sarap nung feel sa kamay kapag